sorry about this part 2, unnecessary damn part 2, because people want to call me when I told them don't freaking call me because I'm doing something. I'm annoyed. And look, there it goes again. Now she's texting me. Little sisters are fucking annoying. Excuse my language. Well, fuck that. She's annoying. But yeah, back to the story. My mom noticed that the tips were gone and stuff, so I admitted to it. And she was like, stop playing. She thought I was joking. I'm like, I'm serious. I cut off the tips and fried them all. And she's like, well, why didn't you fry all the chicken? I didn't want the chicken. I wanted the tips. So my punishment was I wasn't allowed to fry anything for a month. You know how messed up that is? Because it's like, you don't realize some of the best foods are fried. Like French fries, I love those. You even have to fry a hamburger. I couldn't fry shit. That's how mad she was. Ignore all the notifications. People are annoying. Really freaking annoying. This hot sauce is good as hell. By Yi-Pin? I don't know. Don't get me to messing up. I don't know what the hell that means. Thanks to the requests that I've been getting lately. I really appreciate all the views that I get. Comments, positive or negative. I want to warn you guys, I'm not wrapped too tight. So if I feel like you really come out of pocket to me, I will roast the hell out of you. It's that deep. It's that deep. Whew. The hot sauce hot as hell too. It's glowing. Hey, but it didn't stop me from eating my wingtips. I just got smarter about it. Started buying my own chicken. And then some places would sell the tips separate. That's life. Yeah, I'm going to stop the video here because I have a feeling I'm going to get another call. And it's going to be like a 3-part. And ain't nobody got time for that.
What? Yeah.
Excuse me.
What?
I've burped the word what ever since I was little.
What?
Excuse me. I don't know why.
What?
I don't know why. Excuse me. Well, thank you for tuning in to my video. I hope you enjoyed yourself. Please like, comment, subscribe, send your requests in the comments. And thank you for rocking with me, y'all. I love you. I hope everybody's day be blessed. Stay positive.